To chime in your pay, you need to have a Chime account and a direct deposit set up. Chime is a financial technology company that provides banking services through its mobile app. The first step is to create a Chime account if you do not already have one. Download the Chime mobile app and follow the instructions to sign up for an account. Once you have a Chime account, you need to set up direct deposit. This involves providing your employer with Chime's direct deposit information, which can be found in the Chime app. Go to the app, navigate to the Move Money section, and select Direct Deposit. You will see your account and routing numbers, which you will need to provide to your employer. When you provide your employer with your direct deposit information, they will need your account and routing numbers. The account number is usually a 12-digit number and the routing number is a 9-digit number. Make sure to give your employer the correct numbers to avoid any issues with your direct deposit. After you have set up direct deposit, your employer will deposit your paycheck directly into your Chime account. You will receive a notification from Chime when your paycheck has been deposited. You can then use the money in your account to pay bills, send money to friends and family, or transfer it to another bank account. It is essential to note that Chime has a feature called Spot Me, which allows you to get paid up to 2 days early. This means that if your employer submits your payroll files to Chime, you can receive your paycheck early. To be eligible for Spot Me, you need to have direct deposit set up and receive at least $200 in direct deposits every 45 days. In conclusion, to chime in your pay, you need to create a Chime account, set up direct deposit, and provide your employer with your account and routing numbers. With Chime, you can get paid up to 2 days early and enjoy other benefits such as no overdraft fees and no monthly maintenance fees. By following these steps, you can easily chime in your pay and start enjoying the benefits of using Chime for your banking needs.